Wey. Mi gente, oigan bien. Lingan guli 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 guacha lingangu. Lingan guli guli guli.
If y'all pulled up on me, I would've seen y'all niggas cause I was outside, pussy. Stop playing with me, bro. Y'all pull up on me, bitch. If y'all pulled up on me, I would've seen y'all niggas cause I was outside, pussy. Stop playing with me, bro.
Shoes, man. What? I don't know, man. Where you got these from?
Put that on Allah. Say, put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say you swear to God that just happened. I just spent $200,000.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Sure. Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?